Hi, I'm going to show you how to set up AI visibility tracking in SERP 360. This tool monitors how your brand appears when potential customers ask AI platforms like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Perplexity for recommendations. When someone asks what's the best CRM for healthcare, you'll see whether your brand gets mentioned and how. There are two ways to create a configuration. The quickest is AI-powered generation. Just describe your goal and will generate realistic conversations for you. Alternatively, you can build manually using our ideas library of over 100 templates. Let me show you the AI approach first. Start by describing what you want to track. For example, track how AI recommends dental practice management software when dentists ask about patient scheduling and practice efficiency. The more specific you are about your audience and their problems, the better your results. Click Generate Conversations. The AI extracts your context automatically, your solution category, industry, target audience role, and the main problem they're trying to solve. It also suggests competitors you might want to track against. Below that, you'll see generated conversations organized by journey phase, awareness, consideration, and decision. Each conversation is pre-selected, but you can deselect any that don't fit your needs. If you want to tweak the wording of a generated conversation, click Browse Ideas Library to move to the Conversation step, where you can edit any item using the pencil icon. The Ideas Library also gives you access to over 100 additional templates. This is useful if you want to supplement the AI-generated conversations with specific scenarios or replace some with alternatives. This is where you can also edit the suggested conversations. If you're happy with the generated conversations as they are, click Continue to Setup to skip straight to configuration. If the overall context doesn't look right, edit any of the fields and click Regenerate. You can also click Start Over to try a different goal. We'll cover the Ideas Library in more detail in the Manual Build section. Once you're happy with your selection, click Continue to Setup to move to the final step, where you'll set your company name, choose AI platforms, and launch your configuration. If you prefer more control, click Advanced, Build Manually. Here you'll fill in your context directly, configuration name, solution category, target industry, and audience role. Be specific. Operations manager at a mid-size healthcare company generates much better scenarios than just healthcare. The main business problem is important. This isn't a feature list. It's the pain that drives someone to search. Think about what customers say in sales calls. Add your main competitors too. We'll use these to test how AI positions you against alternatives. If you are done, click Continue to Ideas Library to select your conversations. The library contains templates organized by journey phase, filter by awareness, consideration, or decision to find relevant scenarios. Click any card to add it. Aim for 10 to 20 conversations covering all three phases. You can also write custom conversations for situations specific to your market. Your selected conversations appear in the panel below the library. Click the pencil icon to edit any conversation. This is useful for tweaking the wording or adding specific details. If you want to delete a conversation, click the bin icon. Click Continue to Setup to move to the final step. Now we'll set up your tracking details, configuration name, and so on. Enter your company or product name exactly as you want it tracked. This is what we look for in the AI responses. Choose which AI platforms to monitor: ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Perplexity. You can include versions with web search enabled. Key items are specific product features you want to track mentions of, capabilities like real-time reporting or API integrations that differentiate you. Select from your existing library or simply type a new name to create one on the fly. New items are automatically added to your key items library for future use. Assign this to a project to keep your tests organized. Domain is important for citation tracking. When an AI mentions your brand and links to your website, we use this to detect those citations. Click Save and Launch and your configuration is live. Your configurations appear in the table below. Click the expand arrow to see full details: audience context, competitors, conversations, and tracking settings. Use the toggle to pause or resume data collection. Click the pencil icon to edit. The wizard opens above with all your current settings loaded. You can update the context fields, add or remove conversations, change platforms, or adjust your key items. Your historical data stays intact. New settings apply to future runs. To delete a configuration, click the bin icon. This is permanent and will remove all associated data. Whether you use AI generation or build manually, The key is being specific about your audience and testing realistic questions they'd ask. And that's the essentials of AI visibility tracking. If you have questions, our support team is here to help.